Circle, circle, round and round, a perfect loop, no end to be found. Square has four sides, all the same, each corner sharp, that's its fame. Triangle has three sides to see, a strong shape in geometry. Rectangle is long and wide, two sides short, two stretched in stride. Stars shine bright with many points, in the sky they form great joints. Oval is smooth like an egg, a stretched out circle on its legs. Diamond flies like a kite so high, with sharp corners reaching the sky. Hexagon has six sides to count, honeycombs with strength surmount. Pentagon has five sides so neat, its shape makes buildings complete. Octagon has eight sides so strong, in stop signs, it's where you belong. Semicircle is half around, it's like the moon, just half is found. Cone is a triangle standing tall, it makes ice cream fun for all. Sphere is a ball rolling away, round in all ways, ready to play. Cylinders stand like soda cans, tall and round in many plans. Rectangles have six sides, all like squares, stack them up for fun repairs. Parallelogram leans to the side, a slanted shape with lines so wide. Verse 17, trapezoid has two sides so straight, two more slanted, isn't it great? Spiral spins like a snail shell, round and round, a magic spell. Arrow points to the way we go, it shows us paths, high and low. Crescent curves like the moon at night, a glowing smile so soft and bright. Verse 21, heart shows love, a lovely sight, it beats for you with pure delight. Cross stands tall with arms so wide, a guiding shape on every side. Verse 23, crescent star up in the sky, it shines with shapes both low and high. Verse 24, chevron looks like a pointed V, it shows a path for you and me. Lune is a slice, curved and round, it's a piece of a circle found. Arrowhead is sharp and sleek, it points the way that we should seek. Ellipsoid is stretched in 3D space, a flying shape full of grace. Heptagon has seven sides, count them all, it never hides. Verse 29, non at nine sides so neat, a rare shape, it's quite the feat. Verse 30, decagon has 10 sides to see, a polygon with symmetry. Verse 31, ellipse is stretched long or wide, a lovely shape on every side. Scaly triangle, sides don't match, different angles, no strings to catch. Equilateral sides are all the same, a perfect triangle earns its fame. Right triangle with an angle square, a straight corner is always there. Rhombus leans, but sides are four, it looks like a diamond, and much more.